Problem solving, teaching solutions. Teaching children how to solve problems involves teaching the steps to solving problems and possible solutions. Teach children possible solutions when they are calm. Use problem-solving visuals and have children practice using the solutions so they are better able to use them in the moment. This book has a lot of problems in it, and the Mine-O-Saur needs help solving the problems. So these are solutions. So will you guys help me out when we're reading the Mine-O-Saur? If there's a problem, you can help me find a solution? Okay. The Mine-O-Saur. One morning, before Mrs. Raptor rang the bell, the dinosaurs were playing in the schoolyard. All of a sudden, they heard a roar. Mine, mine, mine. Oh no, muttered Stegosaurus. Here comes the Mine-O-Saur. He snatched the jump rope and the ball. He threw the cars against the wall. And then he roared to one and all, mine, mine, mine. Iguanodon said, that's not fair. Triceratops said, you should share. But the Mine-O-Saur yelled, I don't care, they're mine, mine, mine. So what are they saying that he should do? They said, you should share. Do you have a solution card that says share over there? Share. Can you find your share? Tricky. Let me know if you need some help on it.
We need some help.
Okay, let's get them all the same number here. Is that share?
Yeah.
That one is trade. That says play together. That one says get a timer. That one says
Share.
share. So you guys both have share. Nice, on the problem. Let's work on the next one. If these dinosaurs aren't listening to him or paying attention to him, they are choosing to...
No.
That's right. Can you guys find the ignore solution in your cards?
I don't want to.
Hands up.
Found it.
Here's your ignore right there. Found it to ignore. The dinosaurs are choosing to ignore the Mine-O-Saur. I brought the blocks for us to stack. Come, let's share. That's right, you got it right there. So now the Mine-O-Saur wants to share with them.
Okay, I'm gonna look for it.
Okay.
Now. Yeah.
That one's similar. That's trade. It might be one of these ones that's upside down. Can I help you?
Share.
Hey, sneaky share, what you doing in there? There it is. So the Mine-O-Saur is asking if he can share. Let's see if it works. The Mine-O-Saur tried saying, please. Oh, do you guys have one that says say please?
I don't know.
Shall we flip through?
I don't want to.
Can I look through yours? Share, ignore, say please stop, wait and take turns, get a teacher, say please. There is a say please one.
I can't find mine.
It has two little girls on it and it's got a green card. I think I see it sneaking out right here.
Sneak.
Say please. So the Mine-O-Saur is using two solutions. He's asking if they could share and he's saying please. Oh my gosh, he's working so hard to solve this problem. I hope it works.